Hi guys, welcome back to Lytical Preps. So today we are going to learn on how to solve an exponential equation. How to solve an exponential equation. So we are having two problems here, problem 1 and problem 2. So we are going to solve the problem 1 first. We are to solve the equation 2x plus 3, which is equal to 16. Good. So we are having 2 exponent 3x plus 3, which is equal to 16. Now, the first step we need to do is to express this 16 as a power of 2. As a power of 2. So, 16 in power of 2 is equal to 2 to the power 4. Let me show you how to get this. So, it's the same as 2 multiplied by 2 times 2 times 2. So you can see that 2 times 2 gives us 4. 4 times 2, which is 8, and 8 times 2, which is 16. Okay, so the number of 2 here is 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we say that 16 can be written as 2 exponent 4. Good. So our equation now becomes 2 to the power x plus 3, which is equal to 2 to the power 4. Now, in exponential equations, when the bases are the same, you can see that we are having 2 exponent 4 here and 2 exponent x plus 3. This is what we call the base. Okay? So the bases are the same, that is 2. So we can equate the exponents. Since the bases are the same, the equation holds to be true. So we can equate the exponents. So x plus 3 is equal to 4. So we solve this linear equation. So x is equal to 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So we get x is equal to 1. Now, we have to check whether our solution s is equal to 1 is correct. Okay, so we put s is equal to 1 in the original equation. Good. So we are going to get x 2 to the power 1 plus 3, which is equal to 16. So 2 exponent 1 plus 3, and we know that 1 plus 3 is 4, which is equal to 16. And we know that 2 to the power 4 is 16. So 16, which is equal to 16. So now we can say that our solution is correct. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Now let's try the problem 2, which says that we should solve the equation 5 exponent 2x plus 1 is equal to 125. Good. So 5 exponent 2x plus 1 is equal to 125. Same process for this one too. We can express 125 as 5 exponent 3, because 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 125. So we are having 1, 2, 3, so 5 to the power 3. Good. So our equation now becomes 5 exponent 2x plus 1 is equal to 5 exponent 3. Now the bases are the same, which is 5, base 5. We can equate the exponents. So we get 2x plus 1, which is equal to 3. So this is a linear equation. We want to make s the subject. So 2x is equal to 3 minus 1. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So you get 2x is equal to 2. Now we divide both sides by 2. Or we multiply both sides by half. Good. So you get x is equal to 1. Now let's do the testing and see if our solution is true. So we are going to put this s is equal to 1 into our original equation. So 5, 2 into bracket 1 plus 1 is equal to 125. So 5, 2 times 1 is 2. So 2 plus 1, which is 3, is equal to 125. So 5 exponent 3 is the same as 125, which is equal to 125. So therefore, it's true that our x is 1. Good. Now let me give you example so that you solve it. When you finish, you comment with the answer. You check for you. So you have to solve 3 exponent x minus 2, which is equal to 81. Good. So try your hands on this equation and make sure you comment the answer. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you get notified anytime we bring you an update. Thank you for watching.